The universe is an incredibly massive place with many different galaxies and it's forever expanding. It's hard to imagine humanity is the only intelligent species out there, but how can we recognize signs of life of another or extraterrestrial civilization? So far, we really only have our own evolution to compare it to. In 1964, Soviet astronomer Nikolai Kardashev created a method to guide our searches for intelligent life. He recognized that energy is a universal component and a need for all life that wants to grow and expand like humanity, and many species like humanity would want to. The Kardashev scale categorizes potential civilizations into groups based on the scale of their energy usage. On this scale, humanity is in its adolescence, not even reaching the lowest category of civilization. The original Kardashev scale only has 3 types of civilizations. A Type 1 can use all available energy from its planet and has access to renewable resources from the energy radiated onto the planet from its star. A Type 1 civilization no longer needs to get energy from dead plants and animals. Humanity is not yet able to produce the amount of energy required for us to be a Type 1 civilization, but in the next hundreds of years it is quite likely that we'll arrive there. A Type 2 civilization can harness energy from their star and the rest of their solar system. There are multiple methods that have been theorized to reach this Type 2 level of energy. The most popular method is called a Dyson sphere, a device that would encompass an entire star gathering all of its energy. The star is a main source of energy in most solar systems, so it is logical any civilization will one day try to gain massive amounts of energy from their home star. Other characteristics of a Type 2 civilization would be gathering resources around the solar system and setting up civilization on multiple planets or moons. It would be quite difficult for a Type 2 civilization to be destroyed. Humans are thousands of years away from being capable of reaching this. Hundreds of thousands to millions of years in the future, humanity may become a Type 3 civilization. At this point, technology of ours will scour the galaxy for us, colonizing, collecting information, and mapping anything of potential value to us. They may have even found a way to travel faster than light speed. At this point, civilization may have broken it up into different groups and solar systems around the galaxy. Humans may evolve into something entirely else, or perhaps into different species. Our future descendants will be able to use the energy of the entire galaxy. A Type 3 civilization would be easy for us to notice even at our current state in the universe. To them, we would be ants, maybe not even worth communicating with. Kardashev didn't think it was worth categorizing civilizations more advanced than Type 3 because it's impossible to have any indication of what it may look like with our current knowledge. However, the scientific community has come up with 2 more groupings that are highly theoretical. Type 4 civilizations are able to harness the energy of the entire universe. Any methods or energy sources that they tap into are most likely unknown to us now or break our current understanding of physics. Perhaps they could somehow harness energy from black holes. Who knows what their life would look like for them? The species at this point would have evolved so far that they wouldn't resemble anything human. Lastly, the highest level of civilization would be Type 5, or Omega civilization. They have learned how to manipulate the universe at their will, and are possibly the creators of this universe. They may be gods or some other type of being that we cannot fathom. From what we can see with our current knowledge, there is a low chance of civilizations of Type 3 or above existing in the Milky Way or anywhere nearby. But this may be a good thing that these large-scale civilizations don't exist. It means that humanity has crossed a barrier to life that most species in the universe cannot, and we have the potential to be the first, with the galaxy open to our colonization expansion.